Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing text on a path, text in a path. So first thing to do to get text in a path, you actually have to go to the Help menu and go Illustrator Help and type in area text uh, or area type. There we go, area type tool, which will then bring the area type tool up. Now the area type tool allows you to type inside of a path, so your text will stay inside of that path. You can go ahead and type your name, select all, copy, paste, 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 paste. Doesn't look like much right there because it all kinds of fits. So if you change the size, let me make it smaller. So copy, paste, paste, paste. You can also make it centered to that box if you like. And there you go with your name. So with your name all typed, you can use the area type tool. And right now what we should be using is a serif font. And this serif font that is here. So let's change all of this to Times. So I'm going to come over and call this Times. And this is all from your properties palette where you can control the size, you can control how bold it is, you can control the color. So if you want to give it a different color and you want to give it a different size, you can go ahead and do that from here. And right now it's regular, but we can make it bolded and it should stand out a little bit more that way. Now that is the area type tool. The next type tool that we're going to have is over here, which is type to path. So if you notice when I go like that, it highlights right over the circle. And now I'm going to paste my text again. I want it to have a little bit of a break from the actual text, so I'm going to open up this text palette over here, which will allow me to give it more of a break so it's away from the text just a little bit. And there we go. So once again, we're going to go ahead and pick either a fill or a, if I want the area type tool again, I'm going to bring up Illustrator Help, area type, area type tool. And when that comes up, it makes it selected. And now I can just go inside of this triangle and place my text. And that would look better centered as well. And my area path tool, once again, on this star. And there goes my text. Once again, I am going to click on the option to make it break away a little bit. So let's make it. With that selected, I'm going to click on the option to have it. Where is it? Actually, let me just use my drop tool. To make the text go out, and I copied the text from over there to over here, and I didn't copy the text, I just copied the text properties. So now I'm going to select the area type tool again, and this is still with, there we go, and paste it twice, and there it's all there. I can select all of these, I can select both of those, use my eyedrop tool to make it stand up above it. I want to select all of these and change it to, let's go Times again, Times New Roman, and let's make it bold. And this is now my serif font. Now we want to do the same thing, but then we're going to do it with a sans serif font. So the last font that we had would work fine. So if I click over here and paste, that is a sans serif font. What I'm just going to do is going to come over and make it, why is it not going on? Here we go. allowing it to jump up just a bit. So I'm going to do the same thing and bring it over the area type on a path and paste it, and go on my star and paste it. And now I'm going to look for my area type tool again. Area type tool. It comes up and I can then paste inside. And make that go center, and let me make that 0, because it doesn't need to be on top. So now click on my next one and paste it inside as well. So that is page 1 using the area type tool and the type on a path. And that's all for this first page.